Thank you for joining us at Galaxy Help Desk Online. This video is going to show you how to add a Sharp copier onto a Microsoft PC. To start with, if you'll open a web browser, in this case we're using Internet Explorer, and you'll join us at Galaxy Business Equipment's website at www.gbeinc.com. You're going to see when you get to the website, one of the options at the top of the screen is copiers. If you'll hover your mouse over that option, you're going to see a drivers and manuals selection. If you'll click that. And then if you scroll down towards the bottom of the screen, you'll see a drivers tab in gray here. Select that tab. It will open up another screen for you. You're going to have multiple selections here. The copier that we're going to install today is a Sharp MX 3070 or 3070. In this case, it is a color machine. So under series, we will select an MX color machine. You'll see you have a number of selections here. The most popular will be MX black and white machines or MX color machines. So we'll select MX color machines. Under MFP, the multifunction printer, we'll select our exact model. In this case, it is a MX 3070N. And then platform. As we mentioned before, this is a Microsoft PC, so we will use the Microsoft selection here. We'll stop here. We won't go any further. We'll hit the search tab, and you're going to see a number of drivers that come up, 6 here. The one that you're going to look for are the 2 packages. You can see here that say Microsoft Windows 32-bit or Microsoft Windows 64-bit. Now, to determine whether or not you need 32-bit or 64-bit, we have another video listed on our help desk site that will help you determine that. In this case, my computer is a 64-bit operating system, so this is going to be the one we're going to choose. You're going to notice there's a PCL and a PS driver within this package. So we'll select the download file selection here, and it's going to bring up another box that allows us to open the file or save it. We're just going to open this file right now, and then we're going to allow it to be saved to our computer here. Now this will be a little bit different depending on the program that you use to extract your files. However, in this case we're using 7-zip, and so you'll just double click the file here first. You'll see it highlights another one. Double click it, and it's going to run this file. Select run on this option. And it's going to walk you through the process here. We're going to select next once the setup begins. Now in this case I have this driver downloaded. However, we're going to say yes and re-download it. Now in this specific driver, we're going to have 3 options. We're going to choose standard installation this time, and it's going to search your network for the specific printer. In this case, it's going to bring up 2. One is going to be using the printer's name or IP address. You'll see either one here. In this case, we have named the printer already, so that's why it comes up with the name. And then you'll see one that has the MAC address or the hardware address of the copier. We're going to actually choose this top one. It shows the name or IP address here, and we'll hit next. And then it's going to show us exactly what we chose. It automatically runs the configuration, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's hit next here. And then it's going to install the driver. While this is installing, when it finishes, it will come up with a dialog box to show that it is finished. In the meantime, I'm going to show you where to check to make sure that your printer has been downloaded correctly. In Windows 10, you will have a search bar here at the bottom. Go ahead and type in printers, and it's going to give you the selection for printers and scanners here. So choose that. and it will open up a window showing all of the printers that you have on your computer. Now, once this printer has installed completely, we can see it installing here, you're going to see that it's going to be added into this list. So we will wait for that to happen. Okay, now that it is finished, you can see this dialog box gives us the option of finish and to also print a test page. So you can send a test page and then click finish. You're going to see right here that you have one document in queue. Well, thank you for joining us at Galaxy Help Desk Online. We will see you next time.